A very good morning to all happy faces sitting here. Before starting my speech, let me introduce myself first. My name is Palak Pistulkar. I have completed my 12th recently from GS College of Commerce, Wardha, and now pursuing BCom first year in same college. Currently, I am a part of Persistent family to improve my communication skills and personality development. Guys, I would like to share my Persistent journey with you. I didn't have much more knowledge about English grammar before joining Persistent. I could write some English sentences, but I could not speak English fluently. I used to hesitate while speaking English, and I always wanted to learn English communication skills, and for that reason I watched so many videos on YouTube, but I was unable to understand that videos. And finally, I told my parents that I wanted to join Persistent to improve my communication skills. My parents agreed to join the class. Friends, there are many advantages of learning English communication skills. Let's take an example. If any student has good knowledge and can speak English fluently, then he will look more confident. He doesn't hesitate while speaking in English. On the other side, if any student cannot speak English properly, then he will lose his confidence definitely. Everyone wants to become a good speaker, but for that reason, you should practice more in your background. Then only you can become a good speaker. When you start speaking in English, then everyone starts looking at you by different perspective. When you communicate in English, then your living attitude and perspective get totally changed. Remember that if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. And it is well said that all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. I remember when I came to Afsar sir to join the class, sir had asked me some questions, but I couldn't answer him. The questions were so simple, I only had to convert some Hindi sentences into English. But I could convert only one sentences and I was very embarrassed at that time. And I realized how important it is to learn English communication skills. Friends, I like to give speeches, take participation in debate, quiz and essay competition. Until now, I only give speeches in Marathi and Hindi languages. But now, I am ready to give speech in English language also. Sir took many efforts while teaching us. We should also cooperate him. He takes many activities in the class and motivates students from time to time. He always shares his experience in the class which gives us lesson. So, we should always follow sir's instructions carefully. Friends, a person who doesn't know English has to face many challenges through his whole educational and professional life. If we don't have the knowledge about English language in modern times, then we will remain far behind from the world. But you guys are so lucky that you are learning in Persistent, and one day you will definitely speak fluent English. I am giving you some suggestions to improve your vocabulary, such as watch English movies, web series, read English newspaper daily, read English stories and magazines. And I strongly recommend you, whenever your grammar portion gets finished, you should start communicating English with your friends and family members. If you communicate in English, then your grammar portion would become strong. And you have to read always in loud voice, because at the time of personality development, you will feel more confident. Sir always told us that this stage is not your practice platform. This stage is your final performance platform. Your practice platform is your home. So, practice hard in your background so hard, then only you can perform better here. Moreover, I request you guys that please do not miss any single class. If you miss any single class, then you will not able to understand the next topic. So, be regular in the class and attend classes regularly. And keep it in mind, don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you can't get it wrong. I hope you like my words. Thank you.